Here in Splash SureStart, we will be talking about the ways we focus on infant mental health throughout our daily work and our programmes. At our antenatal and relaxation sessions, mums were making early connections with their unborn babies by rubbing their bump and saying "hello baby" at the beginning of each session. This early communication with your baby lets them know you are there for them even before they are born.
Within Splash SureStart, I attended an antenatal workshop with the midwife. During this time, she talked about the importance of tuning into your baby, connecting with your bump and holding your baby close at birth, and why skin on skin is needed for creating a strong bond. As this is my first pregnancy, I found this workshop very reassuring. I gained a good range of information that has empowered me as a first-time mum, and I feel better prepared for the journey ahead.
Here at Splash SureStart, we enhance infant mental health through organizing nurturing baby massage and movement. Infant massage and movement provide a wonderful way to strengthen the bond and attachment between parent and the baby. It's the most powerful dialogue of love, which encourages loving touch, eye-to-eye contact, listening, and carefully responding to the baby's cues, smiling at them and holding them. These meaningful interactions are registered in the baby's mind and impact their development.
Here at Splash SureStart, we enhance infant mental health through organising events for parents, infants and young children. Our most recent event was Be Me Yoga, an event which centres around the holistic development of the child, which uses a combination of mindfulness, movement and yoga, incorporating music and breathing techniques, which in turn will help improve and promote children's health, well-being and overall development.
Here at Splash SureStart, we value the importance of play in early childhood. Those first 1001 days are critical in creating strong connections, experiences and stimulating opportunities for children. At Splash, we offer a range of child-led play programmes which offer the opportunity to develop infant and children's social and emotional development, confidence, self-esteem and resilience. We do this by providing enriching, calming and engaging environments for children and their families, and share new ideas and strategies to empower parents and instill knowledge to support learning opportunities.
In Splash SureStart, we promote universal messages which are aimed at every family registered with us and are used across the whole service. These are positive messages on how to support children's early language and communication development through responsive communication with our babies and children. We know that communication development is a key skill for children's emotional development, to be able to express wants, opinions, feelings and thoughts. And our aim is to help parents feel confident in supporting their child's development through simple messages, such as talking with your little one, singing nursery rhymes and looking at books together. Our current message is less watching, more talking, put everything away and just sing, talk and play. Back and forth interaction between a baby and their caregiver is what helps build their brain and makes them feel secure. When this back and forth interaction is interrupted, for example, when a parent turns to look at their phone, babies lose interest quickly. This Infant Mental Health Week, we are encouraging parents to set themselves goals to reduce screen time when they are with their babies and children.
Having young children can be an exciting, happy and rewarding time, but it may also be stressful and exhausting. It's important for parents to look after themselves when life gets busy. We offer craft workshops, relaxation and mindfulness sessions at our monthly Time for Me group. Here's an example of an activity that we completed this week. Taking time to unwind, relax and recharge means that parents will hopefully have more energy and patience to meet the needs of their children.